Hi subscribers and viewers, I would like to, in this video I'm simply going to talk about a router called Totolink. The Totolink. I'm going to specifically talk about this Totolink brand, and the model number for this particular Totolink router is A7100RU, released in the year 2020, and then in 2021 have ordinary characteristics, at least 20% better than most of the other routers. The main advantage of this model are price at the time of its release. Okay, the maximum speed it comes with on a 5 GHz frequency, which is about 1173, right? And it has a transfer rate over a wire connection of 1000 Gigabit. That's 1000 megabits, that's about 1 gig. And it has a number of LAN ports of 2. So that is the advantage that comes with this particular model of Totolink. Now let's talk about some specifications of this particular router. If it comes to it's connecting to the internet or the WAN, that's wide area network, it supports IP version 6. Okay, it has a inbuilt Wi-Fi as well. The Wi-Fi class is AC2600, and the maximum speed at a frequency of 2.4 GHz is 800 megabits per second. So this router, I'm going to take it out for you to see how it looks like. We are going to get into its configurations as well. The maximum speed at a frequency of 5 GHz on this device is 1733 megabits per second. That's about 1 gigabit. Okay, no wonder, and I'm not surprised, it's actually a gigabit router. So the number of 5 gigahertz bands it uses is only one. Okay, so I'm taking it out whilst I'm explaining to you some of the features this device comes with. So it has a simultaneous operation. Its simultaneous operation is in 2 ranges. It has a transmitter power of 20 dBm. The antenna gain of this device, this beautiful device you look here, it's actually made of plastic. Okay, it's 6 dBi. So this is how it looks like. Very slick. I don't know, maybe you can guess with an object, you know. It looks like, I don't know the right way to give it. Okay. Its connection security supports WEP, WPA, WPA-PSK, WPA2-PSK. This is the connection security I just mentioned is what the Wi-Fi built in this device supports. Okay, 2 LAN ports, and this side is for the WAN or the internet port. These are gigabit ports. Okay, so it says the transfer rate over a wired connection. Wired connection meaning if you connect a network cable to these 2 ports or these 3 ports, you have a speed of 1000 megabits per second flowing through this port to your destination host machines. If we come to the routing, it supports Dhcp, it supports static routing, and it supports Dynamic Dns as well. Now, in terms of the security, it supports Firewall. Okay, it supports NAT, That's network address translation. It supports demilitarized zone, DMZ. Okay, so these are the basic specifications defined in this device. These are the specifications this Totolink A7100RU supports. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Very slick and beautiful in nature. Okay, so you have your 3 ports here, 2 for LAN, 1 for internet. You have your USB port here, you have your power adapter port, and then you have your on and off button here. And I think a WPS button is also here, and you have a reset. You have a reset button here as well. Okay. So please sit and relax whilst I go into its configurations as well.